A very good morning to all my students. Today in this class, I will be talking about or I will be teaching you how to use apostrophe in English grammar. So it is very essential part or it is very essential chapter to improve your writing skills as well as your speaking skills. So whenever we see that someone is saying my sister's car is very beautiful, so here I have used sister apostrophe with S, and then I have used a noun which is a car. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, and how do we use it? So whenever we have to show some possession, now what is possession? It means that something belongs to someone. If I say that I have a pen, okay, or I can say that students' book are very tough. So here I am talking about the book of student. Okay, the book belongs to the student. So here I have used what? I have used apostrophe s. So apostrophe s हम कब यूज करते हैं? Whenever we have to show possession. जब भी हमें possession show करना होता है, then we use apostrophe along with s. Okay. Now possession meaning क्या होती है? As you all know, हमें कई बार ये बताना होता है कि ये पेन किसकी है, या फिर हमें ये बताना होता है कि टीचर की पेन है. सो मैं क्या उस वक्त क्या बोलूँगी? सो द पेन ऑफ अ टीचर. सो हियर वी कैन यूज द पेन ऑफ टीचर. The pen of teacher is the pen of teacher is on the table. The pen of teacher is on the table. Is on the table. So this can be the correct sentence, but in grammar we can use to shorten this sentence or to minimize the length of this sentence by using what? By using apostrophe s. So हम the pen of teacher is on the table, इसे एक दूसरी तरह से भी हम लिख सकते हैं. We can write it as the teacher's pen. The teacher's pen. The teacher's pen is on the table. The teacher's pen is on the table. So here the meaning have not changed yet. अभी तक meaning में कोई भी change नहीं आया है. But हमने जब apostrophe s use किया, then हमने जो previous sentences थे उनके sentence के length को हमने minimize कर दिया, कम कर दिया. Okay, so here the teacher's pen is on the table. Teacher की pen table पर है. So here the meaning have not changed yet and we have used apostrophe s. अब यहाँ पर we have to show the possession. हमने यहाँ पर possession show किया है. How? So here the teacher's pen. Okay, so the teacher's pen. Here I have left pen. So pen belongs to whom? Belongs to the teacher. ये पेन किसकी है? तो टीचर की है. Understood? So the teacher's pen is on the table. Understood? So here apostrophe s have been used to minimize the length of the sentence, and also it is used to show some possession that something belongs to someone. कोई चीज़ है जो किसी को belong करती है, या चीज़ कोई चीज़ जो है वो उसकी है. Okay, understood? Now what I am trying to say is that we can use the apostrophe s with both singular and plural noun. अब हम apostrophe s का use singular noun and plural noun दोनों के साथ ही कर सकते हैं. Okay, we can use apostrophe s with both singular and plural noun. But how will we use it? हम किस तरह से use करेंगे? So suppose अगर मुझे बोलना है that the room of girls, the room of the girls, the room of, one second, if I have to say the room of the girls, the room of the girls is beautiful. The room of the girls is beautiful. So here I am trying to say that the room which belongs to these girls is very beautiful. मैं यहाँ पर क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ कि ये जो girls हैं इनकी जो room है वो क्या है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. So here I have not used apostrophe s. मैंने यहाँ पर apostrophe s का use नहीं किया है. But when we will use apostrophe s, then हम यहाँ पर apostrophe s कैसे use करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर already girls मैंने बोला है, तो क्या हम girlses बोलेंगे? No, we will not do that. So let's see how will we form that sentence where we have plural noun. So we will write the girls apostrophe room is very beautiful. So यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, because हम जिस noun की बात कर रहे थे वो क्या थी, plural थी. So girls is what? Girls is a plural noun and हम 2 times s का use नहीं करते हैं, इसीलिए because वहाँ पर pronunciation जो होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल different हो जाएगा and that will not be a correct pronunciation, और वो एक correct pronunciation नहीं होगा. So the girls room is very beautiful. So यहाँ पर हमने girls लिखा and then last में हमने apostrophe s दिया है s के end में. Okay, s के बाद हमने apostrophe s का apostrophe का सिर्फ use किया है. Understood? Now अगर इसी सेंटेंस को अगर हमें सिंगुलर में लिखना हो तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? So the girl apostrophe s room, the girl's room is very beautiful. So here the girl is what? The girl is singular noun. गर्ल क्या थी? सिंगुलर नाउन थी. और जब कभी भी हमें सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ एपोस्ट्रॉफी यूज करना होता है, देन एवरी टाइम वी यूज द सिंगुलर नाउन विथ एपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड एस. जब भी हम सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज करते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले सिंगुलर नाउन को लिखते हैं, वॉट एवर नाउन इट इज, हम पहले उस नाउन को लिखेंगे, देन वी पुट द पंक्चुएशन मार्क ऑफ एपोस्ट्रॉफी का साइन देंगे एंड देन लास्ट में हम वहां पर एस लिखेंगे. सो दैट्स हाउ वी शो सम पोसेशन दैट समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू समवन. ओके ओके, नाउ one more thing, you have to remember one more thing, that if a noun is plural and that doesn't ends with s, अगर कोई noun है जो plural noun है but it is not ending with the letter s, so what will we do in that condition? So उस condition में हम किस तरह से apostrophe का use करेंगे, or we will not use apostrophe s? Let's find out. So children, as you all know, children is what? Children is a plural noun. Children क्या है? एक plural noun है. And here children is not ending with the letter s. So अगर हम apostrophe s का use करते हैं, if we use apostrophe s, then it will not alter or it will not change its pronunciation. Okay? और ये इसके pronunciation को गलत नहीं करेगी. It will not may be mispronounced if we add apostrophe s after children. Okay, और अगर हम children के बाद हम ये लिख दें children apostrophe s, children's chocolates are very sweet. बच्चों की चॉकलेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्वीट है. So here children's chocolates are very sweet. Okay, so here we have used children with apostrophe s. Okay, so here we can use apostrophe s. अब देखिए आपको कुछ चीज़ें हैं, there are few things which has to be reminded or which has to be in your mind, is that we always जब कभी भी हम सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ किसी पोसेशन को शो करते हैं, देन ऑलवेज वी पुट दैट नाउन फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले हम उस नाउन को लिखते हैं. लाइक इफ वी हैव टू से गर्ल हेयर, okay, girls hair. So here girl is a singular noun and we have put we have put apostrophe and then s. So here girls, okay, girls hair, गर्ल्स हेयर मतलब ये जो हेयर है, मैं हम जिस हेयर की बात करें वो किसकी है, ये गर्ल्स की है. सो दिस हेयर बिलोंग्स टू दिस गर्ल. ओके, एंड जब हमें इसी सेंटेंस को चेंज करके प्लूरल में लिखना हो तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे, गर्ल्स, क्या हम ये लिखेंगे गर्ल्स, girls is here? No, it will be a wrong sentence. Here we will not use s. Why? Because already this plural noun is ending with the letter s. Okay, so in the end we will just put the apostrophe mark और वहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ apostrophe mark हम put करेंगे. So that's how we have to use plural noun and the apostrophe. But what if the plural noun is not ending with the letter s, और अगर कोई plural noun end नहीं हो रहे हैं s से, then in that condition we can easily use children and then apostrophe and then s. Children's park has been opened in locality. Okay, so that's how we use apostrophe. So why do we use apostrophe? It is a very common question. So if you have to answer that, we use apostrophe with singular and plural noun to show some possession. Now what is possession? If something belongs to someone, it means that it possesses that person or it is the possession of that person. If you own a car, I can say that his car, okay, or I can say their's house is very grand. Okay, उनके जो घर है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या है, grand है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा शानदार है. So here theirs, so theirs is what, theirs, I have put an apostrophe with it. Okay, so similarly in many of the sentences that we use apostrophe s to show some possession, that something belongs to someone. Okay, so here we have examples like the book of a student. So the book of a student is a kind of a lengthy one, so we can shorten the length of this sentence like a student's book. Okay, a student's book मतलब ये जो book है वो किसे belong करती है, students को belong करती है. The car of my father. Okay, so I can just substitute this sentence with what, my father's car. Okay, my father's car, it also means the same, like this car belongs to whom, this car belongs to my father. So here I have used apostrophe to shorten the length of this sentence. Now comes what, the pen of the teacher. So here the pen of the teacher is the lengthy one, so we can also write it as the teacher's pen. That means the pen belongs to the teacher. Okay, okay, what if the noun is plural, what will we do that then? So the book of the students, so here students is ending with the letter s, so we cannot put another s after the apostrophe. So अब हम apostrophe के बाद एक दूसरा s नहीं add कर सकते हैं. So that in that case we will just write this noun and then we will put the punctuation mark only. Punctuation mark of apostrophe, हम सिर्फ apostrophe का एक mark हम वहाँ पर put कर देंगे. Then it will show its possession, that this book belongs to these students. Okay, कुछ students हैं, ये उनकी book है. Understood? Now what is this? Now the school of the boys. Here boys is ending with the letter y and it is what? It is plural noun. It is plural noun. Okay, so here in this case we will we will just write boys and then we will put apostrophe and then boys school. Okay, that's how we show possession. Okay, so that is how we use apostrophe, or that is how the apostrophe has been used in different sentences in English grammar. और इस तरह से English grammar में different sentences में different तरह से इसकी use होती है. Now so you can here see that the park of the children, the park of the children. So here children is also a plural noun. Children is also a plural noun, but here we have used apostrophe with s. Okay, so why have we used that? Because initially or previously I told you that with plural noun we do not use apostrophe with s. हम apostrophe के साथ s का use नहीं करते, but in that case वहां पर वहां पर ऑलरेडी एस होते हैं. नाउ अब आप देखिए चिल्ड्रन में कोई भी एस नहीं है. चिल्ड्रन, वुमेन, मेन, ये सभी प्लूरल नाउन है, बट दे आर नॉट एंडिंग विद द लेटर एस, और ये एस से एंड नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन हियर जस्ट राइट चिल्ड्रन and then we can put the apostrophe mark and then we can use s. Okay, so if any plural noun is not ending with the letter s, then we can surely add apostrophe with s to show its possession. Understood? So that is how we use apostrophe in English grammar, and you have to keep this in mind that many of a good knower of English or who knows English very well, they cannot even justify, or they cannot even tell the correct statements, okay, with the apostrophe. So keep this thing in mind. It will always help you in improving your writing skills and your speaking skills as well.